Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. Pour yourself a cup of tea or get some homemaking done while watching today's video. I want to share an accomplishment with you that I'm very proud of. I am featured in Victoria Magazine's January-February issue as one of 7 women entrepreneurs. That's me. The magazine feature is called The Business of Bliss. We're going to talk about the business of bliss in today's video and how you can incorporate bliss into the business of your everyday life. But for now, let's make some chicken tacos. I can't tell you how many tacos I've made in my life. I'm always trying new ways to make them interesting. I'm making these in the slow cooker with chicken breasts, bell pepper, diced tomatoes, chilies, and taco seasoning. And I always appreciate visitors while I'm cooking. I prepared the slow cooker mixture this morning so it would be ready by lunchtime. Now I just need to chop onions, cilantro, and lime. The dreaded onions. I still cry every time. So why do I make so many tacos? Because they're my children's favorite thing to eat. I get tired of them, which is why I'm always trying to come up with new recipes. And here is the final result. We really enjoyed these. They were so tasty. Let's talk about the business of bliss. What is it? When I was interviewed by Victoria Magazine, the editor told me they feature women entrepreneurs who make a living doing what they love. That's the business of bliss. Well, I certainly love what I do. That is true. But this got me thinking about homemakers. Now, we don't get paid, of course, but homemaking, as we have discussed, is a career. C.S. Lewis called it the ultimate career. So how can we make our ultimate career a business of bliss? And yes, I do see the spots I missed on the floor there. I always catch things on camera that I don't see in real life. If the key to having a business of bliss is doing what you love, then we should simply love what we do, no matter what it is. That sounds simple enough. If only it were that easy. As homemakers, we are fraught with tasks that we have to do over and over again. Some of the tasks we might like cooking. I really like cooking. Some of the tasks might be burdensome, like doing the dishes again, or ironing things you don't really want to iron. In that sense, coming to a place of bliss with what you're doing is quite challenging. It does require a shift of thinking. Here's my secret. I have a rather Pollyanna outlook on life. I am an optimist. So I focus on the plus side of everything. If I'm faced with a rather boring or mundane task, I can actually get excited about it because I use this as my time to think. I get some of my best ideas when homemaking, like Agatha Christie said. It's the space to think that I enjoy so much, and doing a repetitive task like ironing is just the ticket. use this time to think and dream. I'll often have a notebook nearby to jot down my ideas. Or I will listen to an audiobook or podcast while I work. Sometimes I'll listen to beautiful music. The idea is to make the activity blissful so I can actually love what I do. Sometimes we get busy doing other things and I need to come down to the kitchen to finish the cleaning for the night. I don't mind this. It's a quiet meditation. When you struggle with a task that you dread, focus on the sounds if nothing else. Those little quotidian sounds that you don't normally pay attention to, they start to become significant. They bring you into the present moment. The business of bliss. How can we love what we do, not only do what we love? If most of us had to choose, we probably wouldn't do many of the things we have to do as homemakers. I know that there would be a few things I'd take off my list. So instead, loving what we do, no matter what that is, can become a meditation in loveliness. Often at the end of the night, you just want to be done. The last thing you want to do is be cleaning. I completely understand this sentiment. Well, it is normally best if your family helps you with it. But if you find yourself like me, on the odd night, downstairs by myself, after everyone's gone to sleep, look at the joy in the solitude, and look for the meditation in the moment. As we pick up the fragments of our day and prepare to retire for the evening, allow yourself to reflect on the aspects of your home life that are blissful. For if we can love what we do, not only do what we love, that is the business of Bliss.